power, wordsmiths. The power! The words we're gonna take apart with our bare hands today are dynamic and durable. So I'll define the words, I'll break them into their word parts, and name some related words, and then I'll use them in sentences. Let's start with dynamic. It's an adjective. It means active and energetic, which we could say about a person, but it also means constantly changing, which is less frequently applied to people. Durable is also an adjective, and it means strong or long-lasting. A durable thing is tough and sturdy. I love both of these words so much. Let's talk about their origins. Dynamic comes from the Greek word dynamikos, meaning powerful. The root dyne means power. The 17th and 18th century mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz was the first person to use dynamic in physics to describe powerful forces. Leibniz is cool. Maybe you've heard of Sir Isaac Newton, the apple to the head gravity guy from England. Yeah, Leibniz was like his math arch enemy. They discovered calculus, which is a type of math, at the same time. It's a whole big thing. Other words that contain the root dyne include dynamite, the powerfully explosive substance, a dynamo, which is literally a machine that makes electricity, but also a word for a very energetic person, and dynasty, which is a powerful family, like a royal house. We might speak of the Han dynasty in Chinese history, or the Bourbon dynasty in French history. Durable. This word comes from the Latin root dur, meaning hard, strong, lasting. Related words include endure, to put up with something unpleasant, to outlast an experience, like the horrific experimental jazz concert I endured in Argentina in 2013. 3 hours of weird little honks. A story for another time. Duration, how long something lasts, a time period. 5 minutes is a short duration. 5 centuries is a very long duration. And duress, hard circumstances that involve force. If I had to make my bed under duress, that means someone made me do it and I didn't wanna. However, I am acting of my own free will when I tell you that I want to use these words in some sentences. To Ramona, no music was more dynamic than hyperjazz. Its shifting rhythms, the way band members swapped instruments with one another. It thrilled her. It was powerful and constantly changing. It was exciting. Fiona's durable hiking pants were tested to their limits on Daggerback Mountain. How strong, how long-lasting were her very expensive ripstop nylon trousers? Only the mountain could know for sure. I hope your love of words remains dynamic and durable, wordsmiths. I hope it lasts long into the future, changing to meet your needs. I think it just might. Until next time, you can learn anything. David out.